Hello, let me introduce you to Casa Cita's new office in San Cristobal Verapaz. As we enter the office on the left, we'll have our new computer room, Chop-Top's room, that will be open to students to use throughout the day. Leading on through the garage, this leads into our reception, which has been painted. The whole building electrics have been changed. And from the reception leads on to our largest space, which will be used for workshops. As you can see, the flooring has been almost laid in this room, and this is the same flooring that will be used throughout the office. And through here leads on to two spaces, depending on the size of the groups. This space will be used for clubs like mathematics, art. We will have a sliding door in between to open as needed depending on the group sizes. Leading down through this long, bright hallway. On the right we have our first bathroom with a shower. On the next room we have the room that will be used by our psychologists for therapy sessions, for life coaching, for check-ins with students. On the left here you see the second room that I showed you before. Further down on the left we have the room that's going to be used for English Club. Beautiful large window here, a lot of lateral light entering the building on both sides. Entering now the staff office. And moving on to the area where we have a small dining space and also a small kitchen. So there'll be a small stove, a place to wash up and prepare things. There's a staff bathroom down here. The color scheme for the office is white and black, so the doors will eventually be painted black. As you can see, most of the walls have been painted white already. So I'm going to lead you down through now into the garden. Above here, the water tank has been replaced. This is a much bigger water tank, and also below we see the well. Over here we have a pila and two bathrooms to be used by students, one for boys and one for girls. So as we're going through renovations, these are due to finish in mid-June, and the Alta Verapaz team will hopefully start to move in from mid-June onwards to complete the move-in before the marathon on the 23rd of June. So very excited about the weeks to come. So let me show you just the back of the office. There we go.